Hello and welcome my fellow gardeners. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you one of my favorite gardening tips, how to successfully grow Italian basil plants from seeds. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know, from soil preparation to proper watering techniques, ensuring that you'll have a flourishing basil garden in no time. So, let's begin. Step 1. Add 3 parts of cocoa coir with 1 part of organic fertilizer to make the seed starting mix. Step 2. Use a pen or a similar tool to create shallow, evenly spaced holes approximately 1 inch apart for sowing seeds. Step 3. Carefully place seeds into the prepared holes one by one. Step 4. Cover the seeds with the starting mix by using your finger or something like the object which I used in the video. Step 5. Moisten the whole thing via spraying water. This will keep it moist for a longer period. Step 6. Cover, or if possible seal, the whole tray with a plastic wrap or any kind of poly bag to hold moisture for several days. This also creates a suitable environment to start the process of germination. All steps are now completed. It generally takes around 5 to 7 days for the sprouts to appear if the surrounding temperature is maintained between 20 to 26 degrees Celsius. Remove the cover and keep the seedlings under sunlight and make sure the potting mix does not get dry. Use spray bottle to water these seedlings for at least first 3 weeks and transplant them individually to larger pots. It will then take around 60 days to make it a full-grown plant and you will be able to harvest leaves afterwards. Enjoy your fresh basil. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our latest gardening tips and tutorials. Happy gardening!